another InDesign video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check spelling in Adobe InDesign. So here is the text and you want to check the spelling. So what we are going to do is go to Edit, Spelling, and check spelling. That's all what we need to do. So here is a word that's being selected, and here are suggestions for this word. Like if you want to change this word into this particular word, click here and then change. And again, another word, and if you want to change this word to, let's say, this one, then click here and change. That's how you're going to change the spelling. And once you're done, just click done. And one more thing I want to tell you is what you can do is go to Edit, Spelling, and check this dynamic spelling. If you click here, now what you see is, okay, right now there's nothing. Let's say I type this in a wrong way, so OLLD, there's no word in English, which looks like this, OLLD. So when I choose this dynamic spelling, then the program shows that this word is not looking good, so it shows this red underline. Let's try this here. Like, let's say this is a spelling mistake, this is another spelling mistake, this is another spelling mistake. So the program automatically shows the mistake in the spellings. So that's how you use spelling checker or dynamic spelling in Adobe InDesign. So that's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.